Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up SOS on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on safety and emergency. And from here just tap on emergency SOS. And once you have done that, just tap on turn on emergency SOS. And once you have done that, just scroll down and tap on sign in. From here, tap on continue. And once you have done that, just go back to the settings app. From here, just tap on emergency SOS. Now tap on turn on emergency SOS. And from here, just scroll down and tap on tap to complete setup. And from here, just tap on more. From here, tap on setup. And once you have done that, just tap on add contact to add a contact to your emergency contacts. From here, once you do that, just tap on next. Or if you do not want to add contacts to your emergency list, just tap on skip. And from here, you can enable the toggles for the data you want to share. For example, you can share if your battery charge is below 15%, or you can share emergency call or a phone call. Just like that. And once you select your options, just tap on next. And from here, tap on next and tap on while using the app. And once you have done that, now as you can see, if you press the power button 5 times quickly, it will call the emergency services. Now, if you tap on call emergency services and if you tap on number to call, you can change the number to call in case of an emergency. Just like that. And from here, if you press the power button 5 times quickly, it will call the emergency services, in our case, which we have set as 911. Now just touch and hold for 3 seconds to start, or you can swipe from here to cancel. Just like that. And this is how you can set up SOS on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.